Good morning. Today we're gonna learn about the list, and we're gonna learn more specifically about slice. And today is lesson number 6. So let's look at this code in here. All right, print a slide. You assign a statement. You assign a value in here, and then you're gonna print the value in here by slicing it. And okay, I start with position number 9 and go on, and then you're going to print the length of the value of this tag. So let's run it. You can see that when you do that, you get this by slicing it from this to that position, you get this outcome. And length function, you're gonna let you check how long is this string here. So it's 41 character. Okay, now we got those, so let's go to the next one. We're gonna comment this thing out. We're gonna do this. The main sequence here, we're gonna assign, we're gonna add these two values together. Okay, and let's run it, then I can explain it. Okay. By adding this with the plus sign, these two value become this. You can add it like that. See, so the x gonna be that, and if you wanna print this over again, you can use a multiplication, times 3, and it's gonna print 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you can multiply this 41 13 times, so you're gonna print 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you can insert it, the value here 13 times. Okay, the next one, you can blank it out. Okay, with non word to initialize the list. Okay, so the list, when you do that, the list become empty with a non value, and that's it. So this whole thing, that's what it's about. Okay, so let's comment it out. Let's try the next one. So let's run it. You assign a yes with the value 2, and then you're gonna print. You're gonna find out is W's in the yes. If yes, it's gonna print 2. Is it if it's 4, it's gonna print 4. So T in the yes, and you can see that the first one you print this thing is gonna say no, and the second one you print it out it's gonna say true. Okay, so you can check the value of what you assign it by using the in reserved word. Okay, and that is just that. So let's go to the next one. Let's run it. Now the function membership is you have parameter user's name and the pin number, and you create a list. Okay, you create a list of these two, a list inside a list. How's that? Okay, you have a list of this first name and the pin number, and then this one record 2, 3, 4. Okay, a list inside list. You need to do just put a big bracket here at the end and get on the list inside here, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 records in the list. Now you use an if statement. You say if use this name and in the pin number in the database, right? In the database, you're gonna print accept permitted. Okay, so you in here I'm passing Joe and the pin number. So you look at here, you said Joe, yeah, Joe and pin number is actually in the database. So when this statement is run, you're gonna check it. So yes, it is. So you're gonna print access permitted, and you can see here access permitted. Okay, simple as that. And the last one, we're gonna print the list, and let's run this one out. Okay. This one here, you're gonna check you create a list function by use this a list, right? By using a list with this thing, is automatically create a list John, and when you print it out, it's gonna print JOHN. That is very straightforward. Okay. The second one, you're gonna assign an X to a list value this, and then you're gonna say X1 equal 9. Okay, and then you're gonna print X, and you can see that the value from number 2 become a 9. Okay, and when you say a delete function, you delete value from list 2, and you're gonna delete 3 out. Okay, why you said 2? Because the list start index with a 0, right? You're gonna 0, 1, 2, and you're gonna delete the value 3 as only left with 1 and 9. And that's it. That's the lesson for today. Okay. I see you guys next time. Bye.